might be thinking to yourself, why Sights for Sounds? I've got more than a decade experience in media. I've got 5 years of professional experience. I've even got a Bachelor of Film. I've got my own equipment, I've got the drive, I've got the experience, and let me introduce you to the team. Now, I don't want you to act like Daniel. I want you to be Daniel.
Okay.
And action. Hi, I'm Brad. God damn it. Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm going to be your audio today, so I'm just going to pop this lab mic on you. If I could get you to just test it real quick, I just need some plosives. You know, plosives like p, t, plosives. Testing, testing, test 1, test 2, plosives. So why not contact Sights for Sounds today? Either call me or email me, and I'm always available for a chat. So from all of us here at Sights for Sounds, thanks for stopping by.